Let me tell you something that might sting a little. You can be 100% right and still not be taken seriously. Yeah, it's not just about what you say, it's about how you show up. These 5 reasons will show you why people don't take you seriously, even when you're right. Number 1, you don't sound confident. You second guess yourself. You say things like, I think, maybe, I'm not sure, but listen to me, if you don't believe what you're saying, why should anyone else? Number 2, your actions don't match your words. You talk big. You give advice. And you make plans. But when it's time to act, you disappear. And people notice that pattern quickly. Once they see it, your words lose weight. Number 3, you joke too much. Everything is a joke. Even when it's time to be serious, then you laugh it off. Now people don't know when to take you seriously. So they just don't. Number 4, you can't handle pressure. The moment things get intense, then you fold. You panic, get defensive, or shut down. And that tells people one thing: you're not reliable when it matters. And finally, number 5, you don't respect yourself. You let people talk over you. You don't speak up. You shrink in rooms where you should stand tall. And people can feel that instantly. Here's the plain truth: respect isn't just given because you're right, it's earned by how you carry yourself. So, fix these, and watch how people start listening when you speak. Now be honest. Which one is killing your respect right now? Drop the number in the comments.